What do you have there?
A big locker in between my legs. Oh, I got Curtis's gear between my legs. Freaking 9 inches. Oh God, that was definitely a workout.
Yeah.
Now we get to put some washers and nuts.
It's all pretty and clean.
It says Speedway over here, and I think it says Speedway on this side. It's kind of funny.
It's not all dirty like the rest of us.
Right. Put washers on it. Nuts on so we don't have an accidentally knock over.
Yeah, you don't want to do it again.
Nah. That was my workout for the year. I'm gonna borrow your speed wrench. Yeah, that's fine. More washers.
This is gonna be fun to tighten down all these bolts,
Yeah.
especially the top ones.
Luckily, the speed wrenches you can get in there. It's just usually these spots right here.
Yeah.
Which I gotta go grab the silicone because you gotta put a little dab of silicone on these ones since they're on the bottom.
Yeah.
That way they don't seep.
That is a thick gasket, though.
That is. I like it.
Yeah.
Let's put the nuts on and I'll let Xander tighten them up. Don't want to put in the bag, clean up my mess.
Oops.
And I forgot to start Bobby's new house. Actually, like, I want to keep that. I'm going to make it into like a Halloween decoration.
He said that?
No.
Oh.
I came in Thursday. I wasn't here Thursday. I was exhausted from going nuts, rebuilding a transmission, and a couple other things. All right, guys. Well, I'm going to let Xander tighten these up. I'm going to grab, not these three. I'm going to grab the silicone for that, which is my car. And then probably get back to you once we have the axle shafts back in. I think Bobby is still, he's got to measure the rotors. He's going to get a little bit bigger rotor going in the back. Because like we shown in the previous videos and we shown the owner, that they weren't large enough. So the back side of the pads were actually rubbing the groove.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Well, we'll get back to you in a moment.